How to fix Facebook Lite keeps stopping on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Lite keeps stopping on Android phone. First open settings and then just type here apps. Just type apps or applications and then click on it. And here you will find all your installed apps. Now just type here Lite and go to storage, clear cache, and then click for stop here and go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, just click on it and click allow, and then this one and allow, and then allow all of those. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to clean some space. Just go to storage, click clean up, and then clean junk files or anything you want, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video.